What's good, guys? So I just wanted to do a little update video on my build. Just gonna do a little walk around on all the modifications that I've done so far, and I'm gonna start with the first modification that I did to it, which was a Skunk 2 short throw adapter. It's not the short shifter assembly, it's just a little adapter. And then the second thing I did was I upgraded my transmission. I went to a stage 1 clutch. I stayed with the OEM spec. I went Excetti stage 1 clutch. And then after that, I picked up a InGen short ram intake, and I wrapped it in some gold heat wrap that dissipates all the heat. And then after that, I started focusing more on aesthetics. I remember right after that, shortly after that, I picked up my HFP front lip, which I do need to repaint in the near future, but it doesn't look bad. Then after that, let's go around back, NVIDIA Q300, right there. It's the cat back. I'm currently running still the catalytic converter. I do not have any open headers on there or a high flow cat, so it is still a little restrictive, but I would definitely recommend this exhaust because I have noticed a huge increase in my top end power. Like towards 100, once I hit 100, it really just takes off in increments of like 3. Then after that, my interiors are a little dirty right now. I apologize for that. It's usually not this dirty. I usually keep it really clean. But as you guys see, I did the bride interior. I did the full interior. I got the center console as well. And the shift boot. I used to have it on the visors as well. I have to redo them, unfortunately. And then since I picked up the HFP front lip, I decided I might as well get the HFP rear lip. This is a replica, unfortunately, and I do plan on getting the OEM one, which is only like $280 from afhkparts.com. So definitely got to do that. And then I picked up my RPF ones, which took me a while to decide on which specs I wanted to go with. I was thinking of going more stancier. I was going to go with some Cosmos Racings, and I decided to go with the RPF ones simply because of the fact that I think they have the best function. They're extremely lightweight. They're only 14 pounds each, so that's like a 40-pound drop from stock all around. And I went with the 17 by 8 wide compared to stock, which is like 17 by 7, with a 35 offset compared to stock, which is like a 45 offset. So they are a little bit more aggressive. And I got the Password JDM lugs to go along with them. I'm missing a stud right here. I over torqued that, so yeah. And then after all of that, trying to film it. Picked up some Mugen side skirts, which honestly, I love these side skirts. I was gonna go with the FD2s, and I'm really glad I went with the Mugens because these things, especially in person, they're really aggressive. Like they really stick out. And I think for modifications, that's pretty much it. Other than my suspension, I did go with Rev 9 coilovers. Godspeed makes them. I love them. They're relatively budget. They were like 580 bucks, I think, 550. And along with those, to get rid of the camber, I got some K-tuned camber arms, which I love. Great. I do need to pick up some sway bars and some sway bars for the front, but that's future plans. But yeah, this is pretty much where I've gotten with my build so far, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the walk around. If you want to see where this car goes in the near future, subscribe to the channel. This car is only in the beginning of the build. I have a lot of plans for it, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
like a Hellcat.
Holy shit.
Cut.